Hi, is your iPhone failing to ring when receiving calls? If your iPhone isn't audibly ringing for incoming calls, there could be various reasons behind this issue, often related to your device's settings. It's essential to explore potential causes and troubleshoot them. In this video, I'll guide you through possible reasons why your iPhone may not be ringing. Check each one to identify and resolve the problem. Applicable to various call types such as regular calls, WhatsApp, Skype, Instagram, and more. To begin, let's determine whether the non-ringing issue originates from your iPhone or the cellular network. Check your recent calls in the phone app. Missed calls are highlighted in red. If the calls don't appear in the missed call section, it indicates a potential network problem. In this case, contact your cellular provider to inquire about outages, service disruptions, or account issues like unpaid invoices. If the network is fine, consider checking your phone settings. Check Ring Silent Switch. Ensure that the Ring Silent Switch, also known as Mute Switch, on the side of your iPhone, above the volume buttons, is not in the silent position. When set to silent, orange position, your phone won't ring. Check ringer volume level. Confirm that the ringer volume is not turned all the way down. Navigate to Settings and Sounds and Haptics and adjust the ringer slider under the ringtone and alerts section. Check Silence Unknown Callers. If your iPhone doesn't ring for unknown callers, disable the Silence Unknown Callers setting. Go to Settings Phone, Silence Unknown Callers. Check Call Forwarding. Check whether call forwarding is enabled in your iPhone settings. Go to Settings Phone, Call Forwarding, and ensure it is turned off. Check Focus Settings. Verify if a focus mode, such as Do Not Disturb, is not activated. Check the Control Center or go to Settings, Focus to manage this feature. Check Auto Answer. Ensure that Auto Answer Calls and Accessibility feature is turned off. Navigate to Settings, Accessibility, Touch Call Audio Routing. Communication Limits. Review your communication limits in Settings. Screen Time. Communication limits, especially during screen time and downtime. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve the issue of your iPhone not ringing for incoming calls.